Oakleyhites were polled, and we asked them this question. During a power failure, name something you can still turn on. Yes. Name some. The radio. You can still turn on the radio, and our survey said radio. Yay! That is not number one. What is one thing you can still turn on in the case of a power outage? A generator. And the survey said, sorry, generator's not one up. Next. All right, so you guys lost. I'm over here at the Goonies. All right, Goonies. During a power failure, name something you can still turn on.
My cell phone.
Yourself? Oh. I'm sorry, I am 50 years old. My hearing isn't what it used to be. I was going to say, good for you. That's good. Okay, you said your cell phone. All right. And our survey said, can you turn your cell phone on? Nah. I'm blushing. Whew. You shouldn't talk that way. Okay, that's strike one. During a power failure, Goonies, name something you can still turn on.
Flashlight?
A flashlight. And our survey said, ding, 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 ding. Number one answer. 31 Oakleyhites said flashlight. That's exciting. Name something you can still turn on during a power failure.
I would have.
Your husband? That's what I'm talking about.
All right, Charlie.
If Charlie's up there getting turned on, let's see it. Oh, yes, it is there. Never mind. Good job, Charlie. Way to go. Oh, that's awesome. 25 years of law enforcement didn't prepare me for this. This is frightening me. All right, name something you can still turn on during a power failure. Come on, Goonies.
Maybe water?
Water. Survey said water. Ding, 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 ding. Good job. 100 people surveyed. Our top 5 answers. There's only one answer remaining. You have one strike. Name something you can turn on during a power failure.
Car.
Your car. Survey said. Survey said strike 2. One more strike, and the other team, Ross's harem is getting ready to steal that sucker from you. During
I'm gonna go for it.
hold on. What?
Nothing.
It's okay. Never mind, the scoreboard was talking to me. Name something you can still turn on during a power failure.
Gas stove.
A gas stove. A gas stove. Is the stove there? Yeah. Holy moly. The Goonies have sprung into the lead. Let's get our next contestants, ladies and gentlemen. What's our score now? Well, they're tabulating.